Stocks are pulling back today on the last trading day for the month of May, and the way May is ending, this amounts to the worst start to a year ever for the NASDAQ index. Right now, the NASDAQ's down about 1.08%. As I speak to you, the Russell down 1.06%, the S&P down 0.86%, the Dow down about 0.75%, but coming off the lows, so it's not as bad as it sounds as I read it. Now, we're talking about higher yields as we go into the day. 256 on the 2-year is actually 9 basis points higher than Friday's settlement. We've got the 5-year at 282, the 10-year at 284, and we've got the 30-year at 306, which is also 9 basis points higher than Friday's settlement. So across the curve, kind of the same level, not much flattening, not much steepening, as all maturities are actually rising as I speak to you. And we're looking at an oil embargo that finally got agreed to by EU leaders. They agreed to it on late Monday. They're going to have a partial ban on Russian oil. That's part of a package, a sixth package of sanctions against Russia. And the proposal will come into effect 6 months from the signing. And it rules out buying crude oil and petroleum products from Russia that is delivered by sea. So there's an exemption for pipeline deliveries, but 2/3 of the products that go to the EU are actually delivered by sea. At the same time, Russia is cutting gas to Europe through Gazprom turning off supplies to top Dutch trader Gazprom. So this is an escalating battle that's still going on between Moscow, Brussels, and the EU. WTI, as I speak to you, is above 118, up about 2.7%. Now, looking ahead, we have a meeting this afternoon between President Biden, Fed Chair Jerome Powell, and Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen. We don't know what's going to come of it, but they are meeting, so you have to watch for those headlines. And then data. Tonight, we get China's Asian manufacturing PMI. Tomorrow, we get some manufacturing PMI figures for Germany, the UK, and the EU. We also get the Euro area unemployment figures and a speech by ECB President Christine Lagarde. In North America, we have a Bank of Canada rate decision tomorrow morning, as well as ISM's manufacturing PMI in the U.S., construction spending in the U.S., and the Fed's Beige Book. Also speeches from St. Louis Fed President James Bullard and New York Fed President John Williams.